Okay, let us create our first patient. Click on patient register. So we will get the patient register window. Now in this case, I told you in the last video that we need not want to provide the patient code. The patient code is created by the system itself. So we shall start from the salute. My salute is Mr. only. Let me fill the rest of the data. So I'll just keep this video on pause. Yes, now I have entered my patient details. Patient name is Sachin Tendulkar, contact number and address line 1, address line 2, state is Maharashtra and code is 27 and email ID. I am here in note now. In this case, VIP client. Okay, now all the data is entered. Now I can either click on the save button or hold the alt key and press yes on keyboard. Okay, I created my first patient. New patient code is successfully created. Patient is Sachin Tendulkar. Code is number 1. So I'm just clicking on OK. The window got blank again. It hasn't closed. Let us just check what happened to our first patient. We have already created. So just click on this drop down button in the combo box. So it lists the patient and we can select the patient by clicking on the patient name. Okay, now when I selected that patient name, that has come to the patient name combo box, press enter. See, all the data are filled up. If you wanted to update any record, this is on edit mode, modify patient notes. Okay, and if you wanted to delete the record, you can delete, or if you want, you can edit it and you can update it. So let us just edit. It has a comma here. We need not want the comma here. Okay, so I'm just updating that. Click on update. Patient data is successfully updated. When I pressed OK, again the screen got blank and we don't know what had happened to that patient. So in this time, I'm just taking this patient through patient code. Actually, when there are more patients in the register, maybe thousands of patients may be there in the real time. So for easy access, you can do by start typing the name here. If I'm starting typing here SAC, see, the name has already appeared. This is one way we can take the name of the patient. We can press enter here and the patient details will appear over here. Or the easiest method is straight away you go to the patient code text box and enter the patient code here. Just press enter. So all the data is activated. Now let us just browse it, because the last time we opened the browse window, nothing was there. Okay, let us do it now. See, this is the browse window. Okay, last time there were no records, there were 0 records. Now we can see our patient here, patient code is here, name, contact number, address, all the data are there. See, you can scroll towards right and you can see all the data here. And if you make a single click, then that patient will be selected. It will be highlighted in blue. If you double click, immediately that patient will be opened in patient register in a edit mode. And browse window is much more powerful than that. I will do one thing. I will just double click on this patient record and that will be opened for editing. See, I double click from there and automatically it has got opened in the patient register for the editing. Now to understand the browsing window perfectly, I will add more patient data. I'm just keeping the video on pause. Okay, I have created few patients. Let us just browse it. We have got a 341 records. I mean 341 patients are there. But in a real scenario, there could be thousands of patients. So just scrolling down here and finding a patient will not be a good solution. Let me just cancel it. And this is the same here also. See, there are plenty of patient names are here. Maybe the same name can be repeated. It is not possible to scroll it and find it out. So the better option is by providing the patient code here. So we don't know the patient code, so just go to the browse window and it will be opened in this format. Either you can scroll down, or the best and easy option is search. You can have a two type of search. You can search on patient name or you can search on contact number. It is something like a wide character search. Okay, you need not want to enter complete name to search it. You can just type something like Sam and press enter. So the letters SAM are appearing in 5 records. 5 patients are having with name SAM. See, this case SAM is appearing in the middle of the name. Even that is also picked up. This is a very powerful search. We can search on contact number also, 654. So 654 is having with the 4 records. It is not mandatory that it has to start with the 654. It has to end with the, or you have to give the complete number. Okay, you can even search the 65. So 65 is having in 30 patients. So it will filter down. There were 341 patients, and now it has been filtered to 30 records. Now it is easy for you to take a patient from this one. If you want to clear it, remove the text what you have handed over there and press enter. So all the records will be visible. If you are making a single click, that record will be selected, and if you make a double click, that record will be taken for editing. So I'm just making a double click, just see what is going to happen. See that record has been taken for editing. So that's all about patient master. Let's jump into the next session.